When accessing the toolkit, from the passenger side of the vehicle, flip the floor mat up, 2 screws here, just turn them through 90 degrees. Under this compartment here can be a little bit tight, so be careful. Find your toolkit, reversible screwdriver, Phillips and flathead. You'll also find an attachment for Torx bits, your wheel brace, removing wheels, and your vehicle towing eye. Moving around to the other side. Under the driver's seat, find your bottle jack. Under here, again, can be a little bit tight. Just jacking your wheels up, getting your wheels off, changing your spare.